In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connected Devices available here, and then Connection Preferences. When you're ready, select Printing. Click on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And use this switcher to activate it. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, if you still can't connect, enable print service and wait for 3 dots at the top right corner to show up. When they do, click on them and tap on Add Printer in the pop-up. Then select this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing if your printer supports this feature. If you never used it before, tap on Allow in the pop-up for it to work, and select Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers so your smartphone can look for yours. You can also tap on Add Printer by IP address. Input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!